Repairs are underway after a water line flooded a couple of courtrooms at the Santa Barbara County Superior Courthouse. The pipe broke sometime July 1st, and court officials say the water may have been running for up to 24 hours. 2 courtrooms, a conference room, a deliberation room, and a judge's chamber were flooded. The repairs are expected to take at least 2 months. The cost of the damage is unknown. In the meantime, court officials say judges may have to share courtrooms or use other venues so hearings can continue as scheduled.